Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make egg drop sandwiches for business. We will cover everything from selecting the best ingredients to optimizing your production line. Our goal is to help you create a delicious, consistent product that keeps customers coming back. You will learn about efficient cooking methods, smart assembly techniques, and key business strategies to ensure your venture is successful and profitable. Let's dive into the heart of the sandwich, the ingredients. For a truly exceptional egg drop sandwich, start with fresh, large eggs using about 2 per serving. Pair these with a soft, thick-cut bread, perhaps a brioche or milk bread, roughly 1 inch thick. Your creamy egg mixture should include a dash of milk, a pinch of salt, and a hint of white pepper for perfect seasoning. Don't forget optional additions, like a slice of American cheese or a thin slice of ham to offer variety. Now, let's master the cooking and assembly. Cook your egg mixture gently over medium-low heat, stirring continuously for a soft, custardy scramble, avoiding any browning. Lightly toast your chosen bread, ensuring it's warm but not crispy, which helps prevent sogginess. Generously layer about 100 grams of the warm, fluffy egg onto each slice. Finally, add a drizzle of your signature sauce or a sprinkle of fresh chives for that perfect finishing touch. To ensure your egg drop sandwich business thrives, focus on smart strategy. Optimize your kitchen layout to create a smooth, efficient workflow, allowing for quick preparation of many sandwiches. Thoroughly train your staff on consistent recipe execution and strict hygiene standards to maintain quality. Implement a clear, attractive packaging system that keeps your sandwiches fresh and appealing. Finally, market your unique selling points, whether it's your fresh ingredients, special sauces, or speedy service, to attract and retain loyal customers.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.